this serum also has 1%. Oh, ow. See, this is why I don't wear earrings. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Okay guys, before I jump into this review, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. We've reached 100 subscribers. Well, over 100 subscribers. It's not like I just noticed you guys. I just didn't want to say anything too quickly when I hit 100. I didn't want to like celebrate too early or anything. Just in case some people like unsubscribed or something. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. I know it's like not a big deal in terms of like YouTube numbers and stuff like that, but it's a really big deal to me. I mean, yeah, we're at 100 and we're growing, and like I'm so grateful. I couldn't have reached it you know, without you guys. So thank you so much. So this is going to be another review video. As you already know, I'm going to be reviewing Glow Recipes Strawberry Smooth BHA plus AHA Salicylic Acid Serum. So what is this serum? This is supposed to be a potent but gentle AHA and BHA serum that's just supposed to smooth out your skin, reduce the appearance of like breakouts and acne, and it just visibly refines your pores for just clearer, more hydrated looking skin. So one of the highlighted ingredients in this serum is Glow Recipes 10% Clarity Acid Complex. So this is just like a combination of different ingredients in different what's it called? In different concentrations that's supposed to work together to like just smooth out your skin, to like unclog your pores, because you guys know clogged pores could lead to acne and blemishes and all of that stuff we're trying to avoid. So this Clarity Acid Complex contains 2% BHA, aka salicylic acid. I hope you guys have watched my videos on AHAs and BHAs. If you haven't, I'm going to put a link somewhere. I just go into a lot more detail what AHAs and BHAs do for your skin. But just to recap, this serum in particular has 2% encapsulated BHA or salicylic acid. This gently dissolves skin buildup. It reduces the overproduction of oils in your skin, and this encapsulated form of BHA is designed to do all of this with as minimal irritation to your skin as possible. This serum also has 1% mandelic acid. I love mandelic acid. It's probably my favorite AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. I just love it because of how gentle it is. Mandelic acid is a chemical exfoliant that just smooths out uneven skin texture, reduces the look of fine lines, wrinkles, all of that. And like I said, it's gentle. You can even get away with using mandelic acid daily. I don't, but you can. This serum you can actually use daily as well. This serum of course has strawberries in all different forms. It has strawberry enzyme, strawberry water, strawberry, what's the other thing? Strawberry leaf extract. Strawberries in general are really good for hydrating your skin, minimizing the overproduction of oil, basically oil control. Now with this next one, I'm gonna have some issues pronouncing this. This serum has azelaic acid liposome. What? Wait. Yeah, that's correct. Azelaic acid liposome. Well, we'll pretend that's what it is. Azelaic acid works really well with salicylic acid because what it does is it just calms down irritated, blemish-prone skin. And it also kind of brightens your skin as well, again, to just emphasize and promote even skin tone. The last ingredient in this 10% Clarity Acid Complex is succinic acid. Again, I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, but that's what it is. This is a naturally derived acid that just hydrates your skin, and it also decongests your skin as well. My skin has been super congested lately because I have been eating horrible things, you guys. Like, I've been so stressed out. Like, my diet for the past few weeks has been absolutely horrible. Today I was trying on a dress and it didn't zip up, you guys. Like, the zip on the dress wasn't zipping. Like, it wasn't going anywhere. Like, it has been a struggle and my skin is suffering from that. Anyway, I'm telling you guys stuff that you don't really care to know. But anyway, yeah. So this serum was perfect for my needs, at least of recently. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this serum also has hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is like the OG ingredient for hydrating the skin. The thing about hyaluronic acid is its ability in holding 1,000 times its weight in moisture, and that is just great to just plump up your skin. The last thing that I wanted to mention about this serum is that unfortunately it does have fragrance in it. They say it's a naturally derived fragrance. For me, that doesn't really matter. Whether it's artificial or natural, it's still fragrance. It's still something that I wouldn't choose to put on my skin. It is like the very, very last thing on the ingredient list. So that just tells me that it's a very, very small percentage of added fragrance in here. But if fragrance is like a no-no for you, like complete no, you don't want to see it on the ingredient list, then this serum is possibly not the best option for you. So I just wanted to talk about the packaging really quickly. I love their packaging of every single thing that they have. It comes in a nice glass 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce bottle. It's also a pump as well. I mean, I don't expect anything less from Glow Recipe. Yeah, so that's just that bit on the packaging. Okay, so you guys, this mask, not mask, this serum. I actually really like this serum, you guys. Do I like it as much as the vitamin C serum? Probably not, but then again, I've only been using this serum for like a week. I think for me, it's helped most with my skin texture. So like I told you guys, my skin has been a little bit congested lately. It's very gentle, which I like. For some reason, I was expecting some type of, you know, tingling when I used this serum. Actually, the opposite actually happened. It was very soothing, which for a BHA serum is, you know, is unexpected. The texture of it is like a gel texture, similar to the vitamin C serum. It has a scent. It has, of course, a strawberry scent. It's nothing overwhelming, at least to me, and I will say that I do have a very sensitive nose. I didn't find it unpleasant. Once you put it on, it pretty much dissipates and you don't smell it anymore. They say that you could use the serum daily and twice a day. Quite honestly, I personally choose to not use any AHAs or BHAs in any concentration during the day. I just personally feel like that's asking for trouble. As far as like, you know, sun exposure and everything else, they say you can use this just as long as like you use sunscreen. And like I always say, you should be using sunscreen anyway. But I personally don't use this during the day. I like to use it at night. I like to use all of my BHA products at night. I just think that works better for me. As far as like oil control, I think that I have gotten my oil control down a little bit anyway. I wouldn't give full-on credit to this serum as far as my oil control. This serum also hasn't broken me out as well, which is also a good thing. But then again, I've only been using it for a week, so I guess that's not enough time to really know for sure. But I can say till today at least it hasn't broken me out. I will mention again the fragrance. If you have sensitive skin and you know that your skin reacts badly to fragrances, I probably would just avoid this serum altogether. I think it's better to be cautious, especially when it comes to your skin, especially your face. And that is the con for me about Glow Recipe. I would be so much more excited about the brands if they just stopped using fragrances. Like, I just don't get it. Like, I feel like there's so many extracts used in their products, and I just don't feel like you need the added fragrance for it to smell good. Like, I just feel like, is it that serious for my skincare products to smell a certain type of way? Like, I just don't think it's that important. I'm more concerned with whether it actually is effective, whether it works or not, than what it smells like. As long as it doesn't smell bad though too, like, but still. But having said that, I think that it is still very gentle. The concentration of AHA in here is like 1%, again, of an already gentle AHA. I think this would be a great serum for somebody just starting off using AHAs, especially using AHAs and BHAs together. Or if you are just getting into using acids in your skincare routine. Now, would I go ahead and say that this serum is like magic in a bottle? And would I say that it's the best thing ever that I've used on my skin? No, but I do think that it is doing something. I like the way that it feels on my skin. I do see a slight improvement in my skin texture, and for me that's honestly, for right now, 1 week in, that's good enough. So if you're new here, I love to give skincare scores for any skincare product that I review on my channel. So for this BHA and AHA Strawberry Smooth Serum, I'm gonna give this, I think I'm gonna go with a 7.5. I would have said 8 if not for the fragrance. But yeah, I actually do like this serum, you guys. I'm not in love with it like I was with the vitamin C serum, but I do still like this one. Now, do I think you should actually go and get this serum? I would recommend this serum to anyone who has like oily combination skin or acne prone skin even. If you have textured skin like I do, like I have pronounced pores, especially like on my cheek areas, I would recommend this serum if you have those type of skin concerns. Keeping in mind that this serum is $53, I think that it is worth it if it's within your budget. If it's not, I feel like you can find other products that are a little bit more pocket and budget friendly. But if you don't mind and you're looking for a gentle AHA and BHA serum to incorporate into your skincare routine, you don't want anything that's too harsh and you want to use something that can be used daily, I would honestly recommend this serum. Anyway, that is it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you have, please don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't like this video, subscribe and do all that stuff anyway. You might actually like my next video. I hope. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Love you guys.